how to fix Rockstar Launcher not responding. I'm going to show you 3 different fixes. For the first one, you want to find the Rockstar Games Launcher, right click, show more options, then you will go into properties. Now you want to click on open file location, and here where it says launcher, you will right click on it, show more options, properties, and you want to go to the compatibility tab, check these 3 options. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK. Once you do this, if it doesn't work still, then we can proceed to the second method, which is going to be opening up Microsoft Security. So you will just search for virus and threat protection. Here you will open up Windows Security, and now you want to click on manage settings underneath virus and threat protection settings, and exclusions at the bottom. You will click on add or remove exclusions, select yes, and now you will click on add an exclusion, and you want to select folder. Now from here you will go into your PC's C drive where you have Rockstar Games installed. Usually it's going to be in program files. Now you will press on any button here, on any folder rather, and you will select Rockstar Games, and you will click on select folder, and that's going to add it as an exclusion. And if that doesn't work, then the last thing that I can suggest doing is searching for your documents, opening up your documents. Here you will see the Rockstar Games folder. You just want to simply delete it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.